Hey guys, it's Sydney, your Sunny Health and Fitness trainer, and today I'm here with a HIIT Step workout. This workout is gonna be really intense, but it'll be short, so the whole entire time, just put your 100% effort into it, and you'll be good to go. We're gonna start with a little warm-up, starting off with 30 seconds of jogging on our step. We just have a 1-minute warm-up today. Getting those muscles nice and prepared for this workout. Ten more seconds. All right, we're gonna switch to some butt kicks off of our step. Nice and easy breathing. Just get some motion going in those muscles. 10 more seconds. All right, great job, you guys. So I'm gonna go over the exercises for this workout really quick before we get started. So throughout this workout, each exercise, we're gonna be doing 15 seconds of work and 5 seconds of rest. So it's a really quick turnaround, and that's why I want to show you guys the exercises ahead of time so you know what you're getting into as we go. So first off, our first exercise is quick feet. So all you're going to do is start up on your step, drop it down, and come back up. So out, out, in, out, in. That's exercise number 1. Exercise number 2 is mountain climbers. So we're gonna drop down on the edge of our step, go out into plank position, and pump those legs. If you need to modify this exercise, you can always slow it down. Just like that. All right, our third exercise today is sumo squat jumps. So we're right back up, starting on that step, and we're gonna drop it down onto both sides of our step into a sumo squat and spring right back up. Just like that. Our fourth exercise is ab tucks. So we're gonna be right back on the edge of our step, just like with those mountain climbers, down in plank position. And we're gonna hop those feet up and right back. Up and back. All right, 2 more exercises left. Exercise number 5 is exploding crossovers. So you're just gonna start on the side of your mat, facing straight forward, and you're gonna spring over the top and back down. Explode up and back down. For this exercise, you really wanna spring as high as you can. Give that an all-out effort. And then for our last exercise today, we have a quick step. So it's just basic, up, up, down, down. You're just gonna be wanting to go as fast as you can because we're trying to push that pace and go all out today. So let's get started. Gonna set our timer here. We've got about 10 seconds before we get going. Round number 1, starting with quick feet. Out, out, in, out, out, in. Once you get the rhythm down, really try to push that pace. All right, 5 seconds rest. Then we've got mountain climbers. Keep that core nice and tight. Great work. Up on top of our step, we've got sumo squats. Really explode up from the ground. Back on down to the end for those knee tucks. Let's go. Next step, exploding crossovers. Great job, guys. Keep it up. Really make sure you explode up from the ground. Last one, quick step. Let's go, push that pace. Come on, guys. Woo. And shake it out. All right, we've got 45 seconds of rest. And then we're gonna repeat that whole circuit 3 more times. So catch your breath and get mentally prepared. Only 3 more times through that whole thing. You guys are doing awesome. Whew. Catch your breath. And as you start getting used to those exercises, make sure that you increase that pace. Really looking for that all-out effort. Give me 100% for this workout. All right, quick feet. Get that rhythm down. Whew. Mountain climbers. Bring it down. Let's go. Remember, you can always slow it down and just do this. If you can, push that pace. Great job, guys. Back up for sumo squats. Whew. Knee tucks. Come on, guys, all out. Keep pushing. Exploding crossovers. Up and over the top. All right, last exercise, quick step. Come on, let's go. Quick feet. Whew. And take a rest. Whew. Great job, guys. Shake it out. Catch your breath. Definitely get some water if you need some. Meet me back right at your step in about 30 seconds. Doing awesome, guys. Already over the hump. Come on, 10 seconds. You've got this. Let's do it. Starting off with quick feet. Keep working. Keep pushing that pace. Mountain climbers. Come on, let's go. You've got this. I know you're getting tired. Sumo squat jumps. Come on, guys. Let's make this workout count. abducts. Good job, you guys. Let's do it. Whew. 2 more exercises. Exploding crossovers. Come on. Up and over. Keep pushing it. Whew. Last exercise, quick step. Come on, you guys. Push that pace. We're almost there. Whew. And take a little rest. Whew. Great job, you guys. Only 1 more round and we're done. You guys are doing so great. So proud of you guys. Get ready. Only 1 more round and I know you can do it. Let's try to give this last round even more than we've given all of the other first 3. Let's leave it all on the floor. All right, quick feet. Keep breathing. Great job, mountain climbers. Let's go. Come on, push it. You got this. Sumo squats, up on that step. Let's go. Come on, 5 seconds. Ab tucks. All right, exploding crossovers. Come on. Up and over. Come on, stay strong. 2 more exercises. Keep pushing. Quick step. Last exercise. Let's do it. Come on, guys, push that pace. Five seconds, let's go. Whew. Oh man, great job, you guys. Shake it out. We're gonna do a quick cool down. Catch your breath. Whew. We're just gonna do a little basic step just to bring that heart rate down. Go at whatever pace you like, whatever feels comfortable. Nice and easy breathing. Let's bring it back down. Great work, you guys. That was tough. It was good though. I definitely recommend trying this workout again, just to see if you can push that pace, get more reps in than you got last time. This is really an all-out workout, so no matter what fitness level you're at, you're always gonna have another tier of all-out that you can push to, so next time, try a little harder. All right, you guys, we're gonna do just a few stretches. Pull that foot up. We're gonna do a little quad stretch right here. Stretch out those legs because we gave them some good work today. Nice and easy breathing. Switch to that other side. If you can't really feel a stretch, pull that upper body back a little bit until you feel a little pull in that muscle. All right, we're just gonna bring it down for a little hamstring stretch. Pop that foot out. We're gonna give one side attention at a time. Should be feeling that right in here. And switch it to the other side. Whew. All right. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Seriously, great job with this workout. We'll see you guys next time.